Black holes are some of the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe. They don't glow, they don't shine, and they don't give off light the way stars do. Instead, they sit silently in space like invisible traps, waiting for anything that gets too close. But what exactly are black holes, and why are scientists so fascinated and sometimes scared of them? Black hole begins its life as a star. But not just any star, only the biggest ones, with mass many times greater than our sun, can form a black hole. When these giant stars run out of fuel, they collapse under their own gravity, folding in on themselves like a cosmic implosion. In a fraction of a second, all the atoms and particles that made up the star are crushed into a point so small we can't even imagine it. This point is called a singularity, a place where physics as we know it simply stops working. Around that singularity is the event horizon. This is the boundary of the black hole, the point of no return. Anything that crosses it, planets, stars, gas, light, even time itself, is pulled toward the singularity and can never escape again. If the universe were a video game, the event horizon would be the ultimate game over zone. But here's something strange. Black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking everything in. They can also shape entire galaxies. At the center of almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, there is a supermassive black hole millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. These gigantic monsters have so much gravity that they control the motion of hundreds of billions of stars, swirling around them like water around a drain. The black hole at the center of our galaxy is called Sagittarius A star. It's about 4 million times the mass of the Sun, yet we had no picture of it until recently. Scientists captured its outline using a network of telescopes all around Earth, creating something like a giant planet-sized camera. That first image showed a glowing ring of gas swirling around a dark center, the shadow of the black hole. It was blurry, messy, and honestly kind of terrifying. But it proved black holes were real. Even scarier are stellar mass black holes drifting freely in space. Some of them are completely invisible, unless they interact with nearby stars. There could be thousands or millions of them scattered through the galaxy. One might be passing through our part of the Milky Way right now, silent and undetectable. Don't worry though, the chance of a black hole getting close to our solar system is extremely small, but the fact that it's not zero is unsettling. Then there are the true monsters, supermassive black holes. These giants sit in the centers of galaxies and can grow to incredible sizes. The largest one we've found so far is so huge that it could fit our entire solar system inside it, with room to spare. No one knows how these giants form. They're too big to come from a single star collapsing. Some scientists think they grew from smaller black holes merging again and again. Others believe they formed somehow in the early universe, when everything was chaotic and dense. So what happens if you fall into a black hole? The truth is bizarre. As you get closer, gravity becomes stronger at your feet than at your head. This stretches your body like a piece of spaghetti, a process scientists jokingly call spaghettification. You wouldn't survive, but something strange happens from your point of view. Time slows down. Seconds stretch into hours. The outside universe moves faster and faster. In theory, you could watch the entire future of the universe unfold in front of you as you fall. But here's the mind-bending part. From someone watching outside, it would look like you never actually fell in. You would slow down, freeze, and fade away as you approach the event horizon. To them, you would be stuck on the edge forever. Two different realities depending on your perspective, and both are correct. That's how weird black holes are. Black holes also raise one of the biggest mysteries in physics. What happens to information that falls inside? The laws of quantum mechanics say information can't be destroyed, but black holes seem to obliterate anything they swallow. This paradox has confused physicists for decades. Some think the information is stored somehow on the event horizon. Others think it escapes through Hawking radiation, the slow evaporation holes might even be portals to other universes, or tunnels through space-time called wormholes. And yes, there are theories that black holes might give birth to new universes. Imagine your entire universe being inside a black hole in a bigger universe. And maybe the black holes in our universe contain new universes inside them. It sounds like science fiction, but some physicists think it might be true. Black holes are terrifying, fascinating, and beautiful all at once. They break our understanding of physics, challenge everything we think we know about space and time, and remind us how small we really are. And the more we learn about them, the stranger they become. They aren't just dead stars. They might be the engines of galaxies, the keys to understanding the universe, or even the birthplace of entire new realities. One thing is for sure, black holes are not just cosmic monsters. They are clues to the deepest mysteries of the universe. And as our technology improves, we're finally beginning to uncover their secrets. One image, one equation, and one strange discovery at a time.